It's kind of relaxing for me because I can just be in my zone and control my breathing and control what I'm doing. All the way back from when I was little, we've always been a big off-roading family. My dad used to race, and so I grew up in the shop. I loved it. That's where I was happiest, and I went to business school and then decided to go to welding so I could open up my own shop. My whole family works on the pipeline, welders, inspectors, all that. My plan is to work on the pipeline for a few years, get enough money to open up my shop, which is my goal. I want to build bikes, anything off-roading, anything from Ultra 4 cars to sand rails to side-by-sides. I've always loved motorcycles. One of my favorite famous builders of choppers and all those is someone who actually influenced me to go into this. He said that community college was the way to go instead of trade school. I wasn't sure how it was going to go. A little intimidating because I was the only girl, but I figured it was going to be that way. All of the guys are super nice, and I've made friends with a lot of them. Do it. Sign up for welding. It's so much fun. There's unlimited jobs for it. I mean, you could go any direction from underwater welding to fabrication to basically whatever you want. You could become an inspector. It's a great, great job to go for.